Okay, class, get ready. Have a look, class. Get ready. From last week, last week I asked you to try question 9, E then F. I'm not sure whether you can get the answer or not. So listen to me. What means it's on the Okay, get ready. Chris John, on your webcam, Chris John. Chris John. Let me see your face. I don't see all your forehead only. At least, see your face. If not, I see your hair only. Okay, right? You see, class? Question 9, E and F that I asked you to do as homework. I'm not sure whether you have done or not. If not yet, you listen to me. If have done, you check whether your solution is correct or not, okay? Then I hope that when I explain anything, when you are doing corrections or what, please do it properly. Because from what I marked some of the paper, so messy, didn't write the number, didn't write number 9, let's say number 8, A or B or C. So do it neatly for me to mark, okay? Nah? So we back to question 9E that I asked you to do as homework, right? I asked you to do, wait, let me check. Yeah, E and F. Question 9, E and F. So listen to me. You remember last week I mentioned about arithmetic operations, right? Arithmetic operation, okay, let's say I give you 3 times 102. The way that you can solve is how? Remember? I say how? 3 times what? Yes, 3 times 100 plus 3 times 2. Meaning that if I ask you to use the arithmetic operations efficiently, there's no need for you to apply with a calculator. You can get the answer directly. So I have 306. See that? Then, so it's 306. Got it? Yeah. Next, what about F? F, you also can do the same way. 12 times 48. So what did I ask you to do? You can do it how? Got 2 ways, huh? Okay, one, maybe you can put it like, for example, 10 times 48 and 2 times 48, like that, right? See another? Or, last week I show you, you can either make it 12 times 40 plus 12 times what? 8, yes. So 4, 12, please, John, pay attention, yeah? 4 times 12, 48 plus 96. So 480 plus 96, you get 576. Or I say another way that you can do is for 12, you can make it 10 and 2. 10 and 2 makes 12, right? So you can make it 10 times 48 plus 2 times 48. Any one of it is accepted. Actually, it's the same. See that there? 480 plus 96 also, that you get 576. Got it? So this one, you call it what? Efficient way of arithmetic operation. Boleh faham? Okay, so any of you that not yet doing or what, write down the solution. For these two, choose one will do. No need to copy both. Okay, I write down anything that needed. Then for you that have done, try to understand the questions of 10, 11, and 12. I'm going to explain, but you read to understand the question first. While waiting for those that not yet finished, written down, yeah? Okay, ready all of you? Can I explain number 10? Listen to me, my explanation now for number 10. Right? Christian, done, Christian? Yes, huh? Huh? Not yet. You copy until where? These two no need to copy both one. Copy one only will do. Okay? It's okay. If not yet, you listen to me first. Later you continue. Later I'll show you. Okay, all of you look at number 10. Look at number 10. Jane, later I'll show you this one. Christian, you listen to me first. Jane took a loan of 9,500 ringgit from a bank. So class, for word problem solving, try to understand well. Any one of the words that you do not know, you can ask me the meaning, okay? Right? The bank imposes, mengenakan, a monthly interest of 200 ringgit on the loan. Let's say you borrow this from a bank. Then the bank impose how much? 200 ringgit every month. Okay, on monthly, monthly on the loan. Jane plans to repay 600 ringgit to the bank every month. In which month is the outstanding balance still at 6,300? So still owe 6,300. Masih hutang. Means, okay, like this, you see, you borrow 9,500 from me, let's say. I charge you every month 200 interest, okay? Then you pay me every month 600. 了解吗? You pay me every month 600. Christian, pay attention, don't keep writing on the screen, yeah? Yeah, don't do anything on the screen here, just listen. Got it? Lana, class? Okay. Next, we see. What you need to do is, you pay me every month 600 ringgit. Then you pay. Question asks you, in which month? Maybe first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, until which month? You still owe me 6,300. 还欠我6300. So how? How are you going to do? So you do like this. Yeah? You get 9,500 ringgit that you borrow. You minus the outstanding. 还有6300吗? This is what you owe, right? means that I minus, 来照详先听先好不好 ？Don't let me keep asking you to pay attention. You should know how, when, yeah, okay. So this is the balance that you still owe me. Question asks, which month? You take away this that you owe first to see how much you already paid. 看到没有? So, okay, class, I ask you one question, yeah? Meaning that you pay 600 ringgit every month. Actually, you pay how much, honey? 虽然是讲600啦 but you still have to pay another, the 200 is for the interest, right? Interest that charge you one, right? So meaning that you divide what? You divide 400 only, not divide 600 that you pay. Where is the money? Why we divide 400 only? Because as I mentioned, right? Actually, you pay how much? 600. But the 200, is it interest? Not including here, right? 没有包括这边的吗? Right? So meaning that to take away the balance here, so meaning that you actually paid 400 only. 因为那200块, that 200 is to pay the interest one. Then the 400 is to cover this one. 明白吗? 清楚没有? Okay? So you imagine and see, let's say you borrow from me 100 ringgit, right? Make it simple, 你跟我借, you borrow, I lend you 100 ringgit, then I charge you 10 ringgit every month. So you owe me 100. I charge you 10 ringgit every month. So every month you pay me 100 ringgit. Sorry, you pay me 20 ringgit, let's say. You pay me 20 ringgit. So the 10 ringgit I take is it for interest? I charge you the interest one. Meaning that another 10, is it only I get from here? So means you owe me 100. After you pay the 20 ringgit, you still owe me 90, not 80. You get what I mean? I repeat, you borrow 100 from me. I charge you every month 10 ringgit. I charge you every month 10 ringgit. Okay, first month, you pay me 20 ringgit. You pay me 20 ringgit. The first 10 ringgit, is it interest? Another 10 ringgit, okay. Okay, I say, you pay another 10 already here. You still owe me 90. See? Next, the next month, you pay me another 20. So the 10, is it interest? The 10 is extra for me, interest one. Another 10 is here, so you still owe me 80. 明白我讲什么吗? So means you know why I divide 400 already? Not divide 600 because that 200 is for interest. Okay, that class, you divide and see? What did you get? Right? 减了除看? Minus and divide. What did you get? Practice from a calculator? 8, right? Okay, so you explain the 8th month. The 8th month. 你还到第8个月, you paid until the 8th month, you still owe 6,300. 你还欠我6300. 明白吗? You got what I mean? Okay, let me prove to you all. Or prove to you all 一下. 9,500, you can do like this. First month, you pay me how much? 600, right? But the 600, I get the 200 to keep in my pocket as interest. Then I deduct 400 here only. So you still owe me 9100. 这样咯. So another month, you pay me 600, I only minus 400. I cannot minus 600 because the 200 is interest. 明白没有? Interest 没有算在这个 the model here. Got it? So I keep minus. You minus until 8 months, you got the balance of 6,300. Sorry. 了解我讲什么吗, all of you? Can you understand what I mean already? So this is the way. 注意一下. Interest, you cannot divide. Interest, you put aside. Got it? Yeah, next. Okay, so write down this only. This one only, yeah? Just to explain to you, if we keep doing like this. Don't minus 600 if you do this way. Minus 400 only. 明白吗? Can all of you clear what I mean? Okay, next, 11. 听好了呀? 11, I want you to try see whether you can get the answer or not. Listen to my explanation first. Then later, I let you try to see any of you can get the correct answer or not. Send, for you that join online, you can send the answer. Paul has 16 bottles, 245 red marbles, and 175 green marbles. He wants to put 25 marbles into each bottles. Does he have enough number of marbles? Give your reason. So you just tell me enough or not. Go, ma. Question didn't mention the color, yeah? Just tell you got red, got green. But want to put 25 marbles into one bottle. 一个 bottle, one bottle, 25. One bottle, 25. Keep putting 25, 25. You see enough marbles to put into the bottles or not. Okay, let's have a try this and see. 试试看. Don't sit in there waiting for the answer. At least you try, yeah? Okay, class, check out. See whether you can get the correct answer. Enough or not enough? Go, ma. Enough or not? Yes, right. Enough, right? So, how you explain? Because you're asked to give your reason. If you say enough, how many more extra? 16. Extra 16. What about the other answer? Any of you? 8. 多出来 8 ah? Okay, 1 extra 8, 1 extra 16. Lagi? Okay, let me explain to you. We got 2, 4, 5 red marbles and 175 green marbles. You add up, is it 420? Now, you got 16 bottles. You want to put, question didn't say put what color, as long as 25 marbles. Mix one is okay one. Which color question didn't mention? Can mix, okay? As long as 25 marbles. 25 marbles to put to 16 bottles. How many here? Right, calculator? 16 times 25? 400. Then you just need to put 400 only. But you have 420. See that? So yes, enough. Extra 20 already. So you're asked to give your reason, yeah? Okay, I write down, you say yes. He has Okay, he has enough number of marbles. Christian, follow the right, Christian. If not, later you can't finish. He has enough number of marbles. Sorry. Yeah, he has enough number of marbles and he has how many? How many? 20 more. He has 20 more than the number needed. Okay, yes, he has enough number of marbles. He has 20 more than the number of marbles needed. Got it? You just explain extra 20 already. 明白了没有, all of you? So just like I say, extra of 16 is wrong. Extra of 8 is wrong. So it's extra of 20. Got it, all of you? Can I say? 明白吗? Yeah? Okay, next. A whale. Okay, all right. First, faster. This one also I want to test you, yeah? He does have enough marbles to put to 16 bottles with 20 minutes remaining. Yes, Kate. Yeah, your explanation, if it's not really exactly like my one, it's okay one. Like one of the students asked whether can I be accepted or not. Yes. His one, he said what? Yes, he does have enough marbles to put into 16 bottles. 还有后面你写什么? With 20 marbles remaining, yes. As long as the meaning is there, it's accepted one. Okay, I repeat now. Just now, one of the students showed me the explanation, asked me whether it's accepted or not. Yes. How he wrote, he said that yes, he does have enough number of marbles to put into 16 bottles and with 20 marbles remaining, right? Yes, can be accepted. As long as you give the correct explanation will do. Got it? All of you can understand? Okay, listen to me number 12. Okay. Christian, Evan, is it okay? Can you understand? Yeah, and listen to me. 听我解释一下啊. I want you to try number 12. Listen to my explanation. A whale was originally 18 meters below sea level. Let's say this is the sea. Sometimes if you get stuck of any questions, you can draw. You can draw a diagram. Okay, you can draw the diagram to understand well. Kana, a whale was originally 18 meters below sea level. Below sea level. Below, okay? Next, the whale is here. 听好来啊，等下你们 try to solve and let me know what is the answer that you get. The whale initially is here. The whale went down. Okay, here, 8 meters below. The whale went down. 再下去. Went down another 3 meters. 听好来. Down 3 meters and up again 6 meters. Up again 6 meters. Went down how many meters? 3 meters. 听好来 because I want you to try. 再上去 6 meters, okay? So now the whale is here. 这是刚才它在这里. Went down here. After that, up here. Okay, I write 1, 2, 3. At first here, went down 3 meters, went up again 6 meters. Now the whale is here. Okay, the whale is here, this level. At a moment, an eagle was 25 meters above sea level. There's an eagle here. So there's an eagle here. Now the whale is here, right? So you're asked to find. Yeah, don't be lazy to calculate mathematics. You must challenge, have a challenge yourself. So you find the distance between the whale and the eagle at this moment. 找它们的距离. Tell me how many meters apart for the whale and the eagle. Okay, have a try it again. Then for you that join online, type your answer to show me. Try to understand, yeah? Just follow my diagram to draw where it is and find. Yeah? Right. Don't sit there waiting for the answer. Okay, 30 meters. Yeah, one of students give me 30 meters. What about you? 10 meters. Okay, see, I see different answer from you. Then later we see who's the one correct, who is the one wrong. Yeah. What about you, Ziqi? 子琪，你的 answer 是多少 ？Okay, one student give me 30. Another student give me 10. 还有吗？子琪，你的呢多少 ？34. Okay, another student 34. What about you, Christian? How many you get? 多少 ？10. 你呢？还没有好啊 ？Christian, what is answer? Not yet. 10 got 2 students. Some not yet. Hey, it's not that hard actually. Right, listen to me, yeah? So I hope when I ask you to try, you'll keep trying, yeah? Don't sit in there and waiting for the answer, yeah? Okay, together you have a look. 一起听啊 From 8 below sea level. Chris John is 13, okay. Chris John give me 13 meters. Alright, we see siapa dapat betul, siapa dapat salah. All of you? Tak apalah, some of you didn't give me the answer yet. It's okay, I don't want to wait for so long. So means this one below sea level. Below sea level, 18, right? Below sea level means negative 18, is it? Below sea level, negative 18. Just I'm going to write it on here. It's 18, Then went down. Went down how many class? Went down another 3. Went down another 3. Means, is it we write this way? Went down another 3, right? I think went down another 3. After that, went up 6. Up, went up 6. Went up 6. So where is the whale now? We check and see where is the whale now. Negative 18, get a calculator, minus 3 plus 6. Where is the whale now? Negative 18 minus 3 plus 6. Tell me, where is the whale now? Negative 15, right? Negative 15, right? Okay, class. The whale is here. All of you see? The whale is here now. Negative 15. Negative 15 down here. The eagle, 25. Okay, class, I ask you one question before we continue this. If you are here, let's say you stand at a balcony, 3 meters. Your friend up, okay, maybe your 3rd floor. Your friend 5th floor. Your friend at 5 meters. What is the distance between 2 of you? From 3 meters to 5 meters. What is the distance between 2 of you? 2 meters, right? How you get 2 meters? Big minus small. Big minus small, okay? Now, the eagle is here. The eagle is 25 meters. The whale is down negative 15 meters. To get the distance, here to here, how many meters? Here to here, 25, right? Here to here, is it 15? 25 and maybe 15? 40. 40. 40 meters. They are 40 meters. You got what I mean? Okay, again, class. Maybe some of you still blur about what I'm talking about because all the answers that are given sudah salah, ya. Papa, listen to me. I make this to explain to you, all of you. Hannah, please pay more attention here. 听好来. This is sea level. Sea level means, like I taught you about 0, remember? 它是属于零来的吗？零吗？ That's why I go negative 18, down 3, negative 18 meters, went down another 3 meters, back up another 6 meters. The whale is at negative 50 meters, right? There is an eagle, 25 meters on top. Distance, when I ask you about distance, we don't say negative 1. Distance got no negative 1. You are 25 meters from here, is it? And another 15 meters from here, is it? So the distance between them is big minus small. That is 25 plus 15. That is 40 meters away. The distance is 40 meters. Got what I mean? Okay, write down this first. Write down this one. I'm going to explain some of these examples because you'll still get wrong for these type of questions. Yeah? Write down first. Okay, right, sorry for waiting, class. Now, let me explain to you. Say chúng ta, like, pay attention. Is it okay? Can I delete? Okay for me to delete? Okay, so listen to me, Thing, I ask you one question, class. If you are here, your friends is here, what is the distance between you and your friend? What is the distance between you and your friend? 7. 7 means how? Big minus small, okay? Big minus small. Let's say another friend here at negative 15 meter. What is the distance A and C? 18, yes. The distance A and C is 18. 15 plus 3. Distance, we don't tell negative. Distance, you see, from here, is it 15? From here, is it 3? So 15 and 3, 18. If you want to show the solution, 你看啊 AB, 先看 AB. In exam, if you show the solution, big minus small. Big minus small, 7 meter. AC, big minus small. So 3 plus 15, 18 meter. Got it. What about BC? BC, what is the distance B and C? 25, yes. Here 10, here 15, is it 25? So big minus small. 10 plus 15, the distance is 25 meter. Okay? Understand already? 明白这种 question 没有? So take note of that. Can you understand all of you? Okay, now get ready to my 1.3 today. chuẩn备啦. This one no need to copy one. This one just to understand will do, yeah? So I hope all of you, when I explain, you all pay attention, yeah? Because sometimes I can see some of you not really paying attention. So like that, like what I mentioned, right? It's not bukan saya yang rugi. Jika kamu tak mau fokus, kamu yang rugi, ya. 你自己吃亏罢了. Okay, get ready 1.3a and get ready the brick paper or the graph paper to draw the number line again. If you don't have brick paper, like last time, I show you already. How should you do? You just draw the line with your ruler, measure with a suitable length. Okay, I get ready, class. Same as usual. By using, okay, write down practice 1.3a. Yeah? Write down practice 1.3a. Make sure all the practice you write down number 1 or number 2 easier for me to mark. If not, it's very difficult for me to mark, yeah? 还有译文呢，你的功课你可以send来给我mark啊，译文哈。Okay. Suitable skill. Suitable skill, you see? 看到分母5吗? Can you see the denominator of 5? So you can make it like this. You check and see that I taught you already how, Hannah. Using this type. So sometimes you can make it longer or shorter. So you see how. Maybe let's say for you, you are not so sure longer or shorter, right? Maybe you don't draw the arrow yet. Later, any the extra, you can delete or what, up to you. 可以的，来大家看。好。Can you see negative and positive here? So you can assume that one of it is zero. 你当这一个是 zero. You can place any one of it as zero first. Then you can go like this. 1 per 5. 2 per 5 not given. 3 per 5 given. Then 2 per 5 not given. 3 per 5 given. 看到吗？ Positive 的 1 per 5, 3 per 5. Can you see that? The positive one. Then you go negative one. If this is 0 already, right? Negative 1 per 5 not given. Negative 2 per 5. Negative 3 per 5 not given. Negative 4 per 5. So you follow accordingly. If you feel that the arrow is too long, you can make it shorter. Got it? The scale must be equal. Cannot. I repeat, I write with the red one, you don't write. Red one is not given one. Then you assume that this is 0. 1 per 5, 2 per 5, negative 1 per 5, negative 3 per 5 like that. This one not hard because 1 per 5, 2 per 5, 3 per 5 like that is not that hard, yeah? What I worry is with the different denominator. 分母不一样的. Okay, got it, class? For this one, can you say? All of you? Can follow? Yeah? Okay, look at B. Before I start to do B, you all listen to me first, class. Can you see B with different denominator? 有看到分母不一样吗? So what you need to do is, class, you make to the same denominator first before you start to do. Okay, 看我讲错啊. Here. What you need to do is we apply to the same denominator one by one. OK, 来一起看先啊。这个是减1/4 negative 1 per 4. Here. Times 2, right? See that? Here, I change like that. 414. 414 plus 3, 7. You can do this one to show your solution. 428 plus 1, 9. So can you see all with the same denominator already? So which one is the smallest? Which one is the smallest? 这个是the smallest. Getting this one. So this is the smallest. Second smaller. Follow accordingly, right? 看到吗？可以看哪一个小了没有？ So after you know this already, you do the same thing like just now. 做什么呢？像刚才这样啦 ，OK? You can draw the number line. 4个罢了啊，但是你要有它的距离啦。Okay, how class? Listen to me first. 先听我解释先啊 ，then only you do Okay, we go the smallest one first. Negative 9 per 4. 听好来。Negative 9 per 4. In your exam, you're given this one, right? 他给的是这个吗 ？Given this one, right? So you cannot write this one, you know. This is to help you only. This is for you to refer. When you write, you should write negative 2, 1 per 4. Must follow the questions. 明白了没有 ？OK 啊，来see 啊。Then you go 9, 8, 7, right? 7, right? Can you see 7? So 7 is what? Negative 1, 3 per 4. Okay, see I repeat 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Right? 2, right? 2 is negative 1 per 2. 1, negative 1 per 4. Done. 看到没有？没有，要跟着他给的来写。Okay, let's say your school teacher allowed you to write. Okay, you write, it's okay. But happened before in the exam. Why I ask you to write the original one? Happened before, because students will show me in the exam. The teacher minus the marks. So better to write the original one. 明白了没有? Okay, if one of the students told me that the teacher allowed them to write this one, okay, you write. But better to write the original one. 明白了没有？除非你这样写咯。Okay, like what I suggest. Why I ask you to write this way? Because as I mentioned, right, got students that get minus mark from the teacher. Because sometimes you do not know whether your teacher accept or not. Okay, let's say your teacher accept. Okay, you go ahead. 明白吗？倩妮，或者是你这样写咯。Your advice to do like this. Okay, let's say you already know this is what? Negative 9 per 4, right? Okay, so you can write this is negative 2 and 1 per 4. 你可以写两个。If your school teacher allowed you to write improper fraction, okay, go ahead. To my advice is you write the original one. 明白吗？因为曾经有学生被扣分过，明白了没有？清楚吗？ Okay? Because if you write like this, for sure you will get correct answer. 明白吗？ Okay, 请你知道我讲什么吗？ Okay, class, now you try C and D. 来试试看 C and D. You can follow whatever I explain, change to the same denominator, then only you apply. Okay, have a try and see. Oh, 你拿图画了先，拿图画了。 Okay, class, I show you this first, because I can't show you all at once. So checking your answer for C, whether it's correct or not, yeah? See? 1 times 2, 3 times 2. 2 times 2, 3 times 2, to make it to all the denominator of 6, okay? So now we get the smallest one. Yeah? Negative 5. Negative 5 per 6. Negative 4. Negative 5, can you see? After that, negative 4. Negative 4, the actual value is negative 2 per 3. Negative 2 per 3. Negative 5 done. Negative 4. Negative 3. Negative 2. Negative 1. See? That negative 1 done. After that, 0. 0, right? 1. 2. See, 0, 1, 2. Because here is 0. Negative 1 per 6 already. 0. 1 per 6. 2 per 6. That 2 per 6. That is 1 per 3. See, so you get a proper, okay, the answer for this, for C. You understand? Okay, same thing. Any of you that are wrong, do the correction first. Then I go D. After I explain D, then only I let you rest for 5 minutes. Yeah. Is it okay, all of you? Remember to change it to the same denominator. Okay, ma? Junior, is it okay? Yeah. So can I delete this? Okay, now all of you? Okay, one more to go, then only I let you rest, yeah? So we see one more. Okay, look at D. I need some space. Is it okay for me to delete here? All of you? Okay, yeah? Okay, get ready for my D class. Okay, what did you get from here? 看好来啊 D 啊 So from D here, negative 1 per 6, I make it negative 7 per 6. So times 2, negative 4 per 6. Here, negative 3 per 6. And the other one, I got 5 per 6. Until here, is it okay, all of you? Okay, yeah, next. So now I arrange accordingly, like just how I mentioned. So like class, again, look at how I do. So same, we got negative 7. So I go negative 7. Yeah, negative 7. I write here to show you first. Negative 7, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4. See the 4 here? This one don't write yet. I show you. 7, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See that? Okay, now I can copy the actual answer already. Negative 7 per 6 is negative 1 per 6. Negative 4 per 6 you get from negative 2 per 3. And negative 3 per 6 you get from negative 1 per 2. And the final one is 5 per 6. Okay, got it, class? Can you understand that? So you follow to get all this. Like what I mentioned. Because as I mentioned a few times already, one of students told me the teacher allowed them to write this figure. Yeah, if your teacher allowed you to write after changing one, okay, go ahead. But to in exam, you are advised to write the original one because given you have to follow the questions that given. Got it? Okay, write down anything that needed. Rest for 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, class, get ready. Listen to me. So what I want to continue to do is for number 2, just so you learn how to get all these number to draw the number line ready, right? So now you try to fill the number here. Okay, fill the number, fill the fractions here. And what I want is the simplest answer. Simplest form, you know what I mean, simplest form? Instead of 2 per 4, I want you to write 1 per 2. 最越简的，最越简的啊 the simplest one. Wait, listen to me again. And number 3, what I want you to do is, listen, compare, when you see, compare the following pairs of fractions. All of you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4 ways to write. But you don't write all 4, you write 1 only. You choose which that you feel you want to write. 选一种罢了啊 Okay, how? Negative 3 per 4 is, when I say compare, greater or smaller? Of course, the negative for sure is what? Negative 一定是小过的，是不是？ Negative for sure is smaller one. So when you say negative 3 per 4 is smaller. Or you say 1 per 4 is bigger than. Or 1 per 4 bigger. Or negative 3 per 4 smaller. This one we call it compare. 明白没有? So in exam, you can write mana-mana satu. But let's say your school teacher said, no, I want you to write this way. Okay, you follow. Understand that? Yeah? So know how to do number 3 already? Okay, let's complete 2 and 3 first now. Compare 2 and 3, yeah? Can I try number 2 and 3, yeah? Now. Okay, class, done or still doing? Done or still doing? Yi Wen, 不明白的要问啊，Yi Wen啊。Yi Wen, are you there? Okay 吗？This John done, is it? I think I'm done. You think? What you think you done? Done or not done only, right? Yeah, Christian? Okay, together we check because I can't wait for you for too long. Yeah, first chapter is quite long, then a lot of explanation that I have to do with you all. Yeah? Okay, have a look here. How to decide this one? Any of you can give me this answer? Okay, you see 1/3 to hinge you, right? 1/3 to hinge you. So you have to check whether is follow 1 by 1 or not. How to see? Since you see this is 3, you check and see. -1, we check and see. -1 is -3/3. -2/3. I'm not sure yet. I check and see. -1/3. 0, 1/3, 2/3. Okay, sudah berjaya. Ya, 成功了. So the answer is -1/3 and 2/3. Got it, class? You can check beside here to write down certain fraction to help you. 明白了没有, all of you? Okay or not? Got it? This will help you. So how, Christian? You think you are correct or you think you are wrong? Okay, Christian? Yeah. Okay, next. Can you see 2/5? 2/5. So see how I check whether it's accepted for 2/5 here or not. 5, Both wrong and correct means what? What do you mean both wrong and correct? Apa ini, Christian? I can't understand your English. Okay, both wrong and correct. Apa ini? Okay, Papa, we see here. 5, I check and see. So you see, 0, 1/5, 2/5, wrong. Cannot follow, right? See or not? So if I say 0, after 0 should be, if you follow, is it 1/5? But you see the 2/5 so far away already. So far away means the denominator of 5 is not suitable. The denominator of 5 is no more, not suitable. So we change. You have to change. How to change? So instead of 5, okay, I times 2 and see. Is it 4%? 4%. So I check 0, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. Yes. Follow already, right? So this one 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%. Where 2%, just I say I want the simplest form. 2% when you simplify, is it 1/5? 0. So -1%. Got it? Okay? 明白吗? So now we see here. This is -1, 2/4. -1, 2/4. So how? -1, 1/4. Okay, now what I mean now, -1, 2/4 actually is -6/4. You see this one? -6/4. You see this one? -5/4. -4/4. Okay. -3/4. -2/4. And -1/4. -2/4 still can be simplified. Got it? So you write this way, to the simplest form. You make them to the same denominator, then only you write down to the simplest form. 明白了没有？写了就写成最简分数。Okay, now we see B. 2 per 3 and 1 per 5. Which one bigger? Which one greater? You all know how to see which one greater or not? 会看吗？会吗？ How? How to see which one greater, which one smaller? Without calculator, I say. You learn in primary, right? 你看这样啊。If times 3 times 5 times 5 times 3. This one 10, right? This one 3, right? So this one bigger, is it? So your answer is, listen, 2 per 3, you can write 2 per 3 is greater than 1 per 5. Or 1 per 5 is smaller than 2 per 3. Or you write this way. Got it? 明白吗? So no need for me to keep telling the 4 lah. No need for me to keep telling the 4. What you can do is, as I mentioned, here, how you tell? If you tell smaller, 1 per 5. 2 per 3. So 2 per 3, 1 per 5. 2 per 3, 1 per 5, or 1 per 5, 2 per 3. Just get one. No need to write all 4, you know. 不要4个都写啊. Write one only, get it? 明白了没有? Just how I told you already, no need to write all. Write one only. 选一个来写罢了. Okay, this one. Negative 1 per 2 and negative 3 per 7. Okay, we check. Times 2 times 7. This one smaller, is it? This smaller. So you choose a smaller. Negative 1 per 2 is smaller. Negative 1 per 2 is smaller than negative 3 per 7. Got it? So now how to see which one smaller, which one bigger already? Here? Okay, next. All can follow? Know how to write already? Yeah, next. Okay, get ready to the other questions. So what I want you to do is, class, listen to me, number 4. I want you to arrange ascending order and descending order. How you do? Look at first questions I show you. 4A. Ascending order, you write here. Descending order, you write here. Ascending order means from small to big. Descending order means from big to small. Okay, class, see here. If you are not so sure how you multiply, you times 5, times 3, times 3. So checking, wait, 9 per 15, 6 per 15, 5 per 15, negative 1 per 15. So, okay, what I want you to write is, so you follow my one to see which one smaller. Right, which one smaller? We see the negative one first. See the negative one first. Which one smaller? Right, give a答案, which one smaller? 9, right? So, negative 9, is it this one? So you copy negative 3 per 5. Second smaller, this one, right? Negative 1 per 15. After that, 5, right? 5 per 15 means you copy 1 per 3. After that, you get 2 per 5. Got it? Then descending order, just copy from right to left. Okay, done like that. Make them to the same denominator. Okay, like class, continue B, Roman 1, 2, and so on. Okay, do it now. Change to the same denominator first, yeah? Okay, class. It's over the time limit. Some have done, but some not yet. It's okay. I want you to listen to it again together with CB. Can you see B? I changed everything to 6, okay? Right, same thing. Can you tell me? So class, I show you ascending order will do. If you know ascending, kamu salin terbalik is descending already, okay? Yeah, from left. I give you left to right, then later you copy right to left. Is okay? Descending, yeah? Class, can I have the smallest one? B1. Hello? Yeah, -10/6, right? So this one, huh? So you copy -1, 2 per 3. Followed by -2/6, right? So -1 per 3. Good. Followed by 1 per 6, right? 1 per 6. Followed by 1 per 2. Yes, you're right. Good. Can you understand? Then for descending, okay, you copy terbalik like that. Which one? Terbalik means from right to left is the descending order. Okay, can I say all of you? Now we look at C, the smallest one. Hello, smallest one.
For -4 to 5.
Yeah, -4 per 5, right? -4 per 5. See this one, right?
Yes.
Okay, -4 per 5. Yes, good. Followed by?
-2 to 5.
Negative. This one,
-5.
right? So how you read this one? -1 per 2. Yeah? This one is -1 per 2. See that? Followed by? Christian, this one first and only this. Then only -2 per 5. And then lastly is 1 per 5. Okay, now? So copy the other way. Okay, can follow?
Yes.
Yes, now we go D. Smallest? This one, right? See, -3 per 18 is the smaller, so -1 per 6. Followed by?
1 to 18.
-1 per 18, yes. Followed by? 2 per 9. See? 2 per 9, huh? Then followed by? This one, right?
Yes.
2 per?
2 to 3.
Yes, okay, then copy descending order. So must be very careful, you know. If ascending order salah, descending order of course juga salah. Okay, anak kelas? Can I know which of your school not allow you to use calculator? Still got school, right? Because last year, I know some of the Form 1 students not allowed to use calculator. How many of you are not allowed to use calculator? 你们学校可以吗？可以用吗？可以啊 Can use? Answer. Hmm? 什么 Chapter 3开始才可以用啊 Oh, some school chapter 3 only can use. Chapter 1, 2 cannot. So you have to show the solution. Any of you join online one? Your school allowed you to use calculator or not? Ziqi, Yiwen, Christian, your school allow or not?
Huh?
Your school allowed you to use calculator or not? Allow or not allow?
No.
Allow. Allow, Allow, okay. So 你的是照想 chapter 1, chapter 2 not allow. Chapter 3 only allow. That's why I have to teach you three. Allow and not allow. Okay, now, yeah, in exam, sometimes we'll mention without calculator. Okay, without calculator. So class, Let me show you. In exam cannot use. Okay, yes, in exam sometimes cannot use. But I still want to teach you with and without. With and without first. With, together we see first. Okay, this is EX. Any of you using MS? Nhiều mà? Sử dụng MS? If yes, I show you both. If all use EX, I go EX. Can any of you tell me who is the one using MS? MS, okay, so means ada dua ya. Okay, just checking first. Later I show you without calculator to find. So we check like that. Practice with a calculator. Listen to me. I want you to practice with a calculator. Write the answer here with calculator. Then later I want to show you without calculator to compare the answer, okay? Right? Practice. For you that using this, go to this fraction. 1/3. 1/3. I have to show you both sides. That go this arrow. Minus. Can you see mixed number? How do I mix number? Even in my check a calculator. Yeah, okay. This mixed number. There you can see this button. Can you see this button? So you go this button. Another mail. 1, 3, 8. 这样你可以拿我的来 practice 一下。来，我的白色的。等下才教你这个一下子。I show you one by one. 白色的。对 ，OK. Then same thing. Divide. Fraction again. 1/4 equal. Can you see the answer of negative 31/6? But for you, Form 1, your answer you leave to the simplest form means mixed number. Okay. So meaning that, okay, let's say you want decimal. Yeah, you can do it like this, decimal. You can't take a button. You play with this button. Can you see mixed number? Okay, let's write down here first. -5 and 1/6. 写在这里先. All of you write this answer here first. -5, 1/6. Can follow? 可以吗? Any of you couldn't get? 到这样的吗? 英文 OK 吗？英文 Chris John, is it okay? Set 什么? Oh, okay. So class, next time your calculator, okay, I show you. 你坐下来，我教你。来。Okay, let's say you accidentally you got this, let's say, 你不小心按到 Okay, you see the mode here? You accidentally got this something funny here. What your calculator needed is D. So accidentally you have this, you must clear the mode. Jangan clear na, can you see reset? So you shift, reset. Can you see all this? Next, initialize all. Number 3 equal, you put yes, then AC. Can you see with this symbol? Again, together we manage this calculator first. 一起 together follow me calculate this. Okay, let's say you go down. You go this. You go equal. You go 1. Contoh lah. You go 2. Okay, can see these funny things came out? Actually, it's not funny lah. It's not for you yet. 有吗？你看到这个吗？ Am I too fast? So how? Okay, let's say you clear. You cannot clear, see? So you must delete this one, right? Okay, you go shift, reset. Number 3 equal AC. Done. You can't have something except D here for you from 1 at the moment. 看到没有 ？Cannot 啊，暂时是用这样啦。Is that clear, all of you? Now, so let's say if you're using this calculator, 朝阳，你看啊 ，let's say you go mode 啊，可以随便来，朝阳你跟着我 mode, okay, maybe 3 equal. You see something funny here already? 看到没有 ？So you go shift 等下，哎，sorry，等下，wait。这个是另外的，等一下啊。Right? So you go shift, mode. Can you see all? 3, reset, equal. 再来一次啊。Okay, class, if you are using this calculator, you have something that not right. Can you say SD or whatever? So you should have D1. To clear this mode, you go shift, mode, 3, equal. 明白吗？This is how you clear the mode, okay? So class, right now, practice this one to see. Right, together. And practice this one. Okay, go. Mixed number. -1. 3/5. Divide. Follow bracket. Fraction. 2/7. Go right arrow. Times. Mixed number again. 1. 1/4. Close the bracket. Sorry. 1/4. Close the bracket. Equal. So I say I don't want this answer yet. I want mixed number, right? Instead of improper fraction. 这个是假分数，我不要。So how you go? Shift this. 看到吗 ？Shift this. See that? Okay, write this answer beside here first. I keep practicing C, then let me know what is the answer that you get from your calculator. 朝阳，你的 calculator 听啊，我教你啊。1/3啊，你去这样 1/3 minus bracket 1 and 3/8. Close the bracket. Okay 吗 ？Divide 1/4 equal. When you read -5 1/6. But for your class, your advice to get this calculator. Let's say 你的 calculator 坏了，换这个，不要再买这个了。This one old version already, but still can be used. Don't waste money. 对吗？明白了没有 ？Okay, can I have this answer? 多少 ？C. 千妮 what is the answer? Can I get this? Any of you get this answer already? Let me know what is the answer. Christian, know how to apply now, Christian? 会吗 ？Jolene 会吗？多少 ？Junior, what is the answer? I mean from the calculator first. What did you get? Don't know how to apply. Okay, for you that, For you that not so sure how to apply, follow me again. 1/2, go here. 1. Hey, but Christian, your dad told me bought already what that day? No, not yet.
Not yet.
Ah,
I
not yet. It's okay. You listen to me first. Just follow here. Ah. 1 per 2. Going right arrow. Times. Put the bracket. Mixed number. Mixed number, you go this way. Can you see the orange one? 1, 2 per 3. Plus, plus you go to the right arrow first, plus fraction again, 2 per 5. Go right arrow, close the bracket, equal. So change, Junior, you see, change to mixed number, you key in here. 1 and 1 per 30. 1 and 1 per 30. Okay, for you that not yet have this calculator, if you want to install this, Christian, you can install this to your handphone, your smartphone. This is what I install in my smartphone. This is not MS, but it's exactly like MS, the function. You can install this one. You go to Play Store, install this one, BlueStacks one. Got what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so class, know how to apply this already. So remember the way. Let's say you want to apply, you see the yellow one, right? The yellow one, you go shift. You want to apply the pink one, you go alphabet. This one is alphabet. Alphabet. And always make sure your calculator is D function. D is what we call that the degree one. For us one, D. Got it? Okay. Now, so class, what I want you to do is, you see number A. Without calculator means I want you to try to show like this. When give you some homework, you see first. It's like primary, what I have learned. Okay, see, without calculator, you must do the divide one first, right? So eyes on my whiteboard, please. 8, 1, 8 plus 3, 11. Divide, make it times. Reciprocal. 倒转. This one in English, you call it reciprocal. Reciprocal, okay? Reciprocal, Then we see when I simplify. I got 1 per 3 minus 11 per 2. So that 1 per 3 minus 11 per 2. Then change them to the same denominator. That is negative 31. 2 minus 33 is negative 31 per 6. 6, 5, 31. This is how you show in the exam without calculator. Got it? Okay, now? Now, so class, copy the A. Then I want you to do B and C only as homework. 2 questions only as homework. Copy the A, copy the solution. Then try B and C, showing the step. Next week only I go through the other. Okay. Write down first, write down everything before you leave, So if you have finished written down, you're allowed to leave. See you. Bye-bye.